LegalZoom LLC Formation App. The pros, the cons. Starting a business can be overwhelming, but the LegalZoom LLC Formation App makes forming a limited liability company fast and straightforward. Most people get this wrong at first, but here's why this app is such a game changer. The app guides you through choosing a business name, selecting your registered agent, and preparing all necessary state filings. LegalZoom also provides templates for operating agreements and registration guidance, making it a one-stop solution for new entrepreneurs. One of the biggest advantages is ease of use. You can complete the entire process online, track your application, and even get alerts on state approvals. LegalZoom ensures your filings comply with state-specific requirements, reducing the risk of errors that could delay your business formation. However, there are some cons. While the app handles standard LC formations well, more complex structures or multi-state businesses may require professional legal advice. Some users also note that extra services, like expedited filing or attorney review, come at additional cost. In conclusion, the LegalZoom LLC Formation app is an excellent tool for entrepreneurs seeking a fast, guided, and compliant way to start and thus. It streamlines paperwork, ensures legal accuracy, and saves time. For most small business owners, it's a practical, reliable first step toward building a legally sound business.